This review is of 3 Deer brand Toisan noodles. And there's really nothing to tell you other than this is a product of China. The instructions and the nutrition facts and ingredients. Okay, so my daughter added salt to the water. She did rinse it off, so most of the salt's gone, but one thing I've noticed here is we've got some that are sticking together, which always sucks because then you've got, this was 3 noodles stuck together, so this is actually not cooked. And so I'm going to put that back in the water. And I've got another one, and another one. And there may be others. Probably are others. I haven't noticed them though. Oh, there's another one. So I'll put these back in the hot water and let them sit for a lot longer. Honestly, without the salt, there's almost no flavor to these noodles. They're very, very mild. I don't know why, but that's okay. Except for the fact that that probably means that these have been refined a lot in order to produce these very neutral noodles, and that isn't by itself a good thing. On another one, because neutral noodles are noodles that have been heavily refined usually to produce that neutralness, and that means that the, oh my gosh, that's a really bad one. That a lot of the nutrients are gone, and ideally they would want to enrich the noodles or bread or whatever it is that has been over processed, but not all companies will do that. I don't know if this has been enriched or not, but at least they're very, very mild for those of you who want that. For me, I'll give it a 4. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.